Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So what are we going to do is we're going to enter our password. Here, we're going to go over into the settings and we're going to go over to Wi-Fi. Here, we turn the Wi-Fi off and on. This is a quick fix. Now, what are we going to do is we're simply going to forget and reconnect to the same network. So here we have the network. We're going to tap on it and click forget. We're going to select the same network. Now, we're going to enter the password and click on connect. Now, we are back and we're connected. What are we going to do next is restart our router and a phone. To restart the phone, you press on the power button. You keep on holding it until you see the restart. You tap once and twice. To restart your router, it's all different. It depends on what type of router you have, but usually they have the turn on and turn off switches at the back of them. So that's how you guys can easily do it. So now we're waiting for the phone to restart, and it shouldn't take that long. After the restart, we're simply gonna enter the password, and here what are we gonna do is we're gonna check for software updates as a last resort. So go over into the settings. Now in the settings, we're gonna scroll all the way down to system, and here we tap on system update. We tap on online update, it crashes, it's random, and also normal. We're gonna click on online update, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.